This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, September 8th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we still have this ridge over the plains down into the south and west. We'll have a slight northwesterly flow aloft, and that's going to keep the temperatures a bit cooler, at least in the northeastern half of the state today, with high pressure over the Great Lakes. Highs around 80 north and east, but mid-90s south and west, with mainly a few more clouds than anything. There will be no rainfall, unfortunately. And any of that supposed rain will be way to our north here on Monday, and it's going to be a scorcher of a day on Monday. Highs in the mid to upper 90s. It'll be sultry, be a little bit breezy out of the south and west. And then Tuesday it'll be about the same, maybe a skosh cooler as a cold front slowly, and I mean just slowly, moves into the state with a little bit of activity along it, and we mean a little bit of activity. And then you see Wednesday, there's nothing on the front, but there will be a chance of some rain, mainly during the overnight hours. But by Wednesday during the day, it's gone, but the temperatures will be a lot cooler. Highs upper 70s to low to mid 80s. It'll be about the same, maybe upper 70s to low 80s here on Thursday as high pressure noses in from Canada into the northern plains and the upper Midwest. And then as we head into Friday, that moves to somewhere near Thunder Bay, Ontario, or the western part of Lake Superior. Winds will be mainly out of the east and southeast. Some rainfall so close to us over the plains and into the mid-Mississippi River Valley, but that's not going to be here. It may just creep into the far western counties here on Saturday. As the high pressure moves off to the east, winds begin to turn around to the south. Temperatures begin to warm back up through the 80s. A week from today, next Sunday, you can see a ridge pretty much over the southeast, the Ohio, Tennessee River Valley, the lower Mississippi River Valley. We still have a little bit of a westerly flow around here. Main storm track is still to our north, but you can see a little bit of activity beginning to come into the area over the weekend. So the weekend could be a little bit rainy, a little bit sunny, a little bit kind of all over the place, but expect that to be gone in the next run. Into the extended period we go, and on the 19th we have pretty much a zonal flow with a bit of a trough axis just to our east and northeast, another over the Pacific North and West, and that one will bring a front through here sometime in the end of the following week with some showers and thunderstorms. Knowing this, it'll be gone on the next run. High pressure looks to nose in with more cooler seasonal air. At the end of the forecast, if this is right, here on the 23rd, we have a big trough extending through the northern plains, the upper Midwest, the Great Lakes into the north and east, a ridge trying to build over the Intermountain West, and this would bring fairly cool conditions into the area, the 540 line to the U.S.-Canadian border. So this would bring temperatures here down, maybe into the upper 60s to low 70s. That'll probably be gone also. Satellite image from last evening, we had a few high and mid-level clouds over the Midwest into the north and east with a frontal system, complex of showers and thunderstorms over the Dakotas, and a little bit of monsoonal activity over the west. Watch warning map from last evening. We had a flash flood watch in Montana and western North Dakota, a severe thunderstorm watch in Wyoming, Montana, and South Dakota, and otherwise outside of an air quality alert around Kansas City, it was quiet. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock showing rainfall looks very, very slight around here, maybe 1/100th or 1/10 of an inch. Some places may get more, especially the west, South Texas, and to our north.